Yes, great evening sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman po ako. Magbigay na naman po ako ng konting information drive regarding sa mga event na ginawa nung nung Sunday, and then event ngayong ngayong gabing ito with Sir Janjan ko. So during our meeting, actually it's not only a meeting, it is also an orientation sa mga affiliates. Wala po tayong bagong affiliates na nakasama. So I am also encouraging you to, especially those who are leaders, to encourage your affiliates to attend orientation, kasi mahalaga po ang orientation so that the affiliates knows what to do after they signed up as an affiliate of For Life. So, ito po, gusto ko lang po sanang mag-remind ulit na every Friday, Saturday, and Monday up to Tuesday, actually we have our training with Sir Janjan ko. So, not only us ang nire-required na mag-train, even mga leaders nga na kumikita ng 6 to 7 digits income nga, uma-attend sila because they also have their guest. Kasi ang purpose po ng ating training with Sir Janjan ko is for us to learn how to invite guests or prospects para po maging makasanayan na po natin silang gagawin. Okay? So, ayaw nyo pa yon na meron po tayong training na kung saan ang nagtitraining hindi basta-basta, dahil napakagaling pong leader si Sir Janjan ko. So, ang maganda kasi hindi nyo na kailangan pang pumunta sa venue, magastos ng pamasahe, at saka isa pa sa Manila yon. Pero kung dito naman din, kahit papano, kung ayaw nyong pumunta sa orientation ng face-to-face, pwede po kayong dumalo sa ating orientation sa kay Sir Janjan ko. Actually, it's not only an orientation. Ang training po with Sir Janjan ko through via Zoom, okay? So, uulitin ko, we will start on Friday 7 p.m., Saturday 7 p.m., Monday 7 p.m., then Tuesday is 6 p.m. Okay? So ano po yung mga topics with Sir Janjan ko? Sa mga naka-attend na, for sure alam niyo na to, okay? So sa Friday, he discussed most of the topic is do life differently. Maganda po kasi on the Friday, makaumpisa talaga yung ating mga guest doon sa kanyang training, okay? So ang ginagawa niya is i-discuss niya yung do life differently. So, marami pong magandang introduction doon si Sir Janjan ko. Okay? Then, on the Tuesday, on after Friday, Saturday, 7 o'clock pa din, it's an orientation. So, we are also doing a face-to-face orientation just like Sunday, nung nakaraang Sunday. We did an orientation with affiliates na sinend ko sa inyo kung sino-sino sila nag-attend. So, I am also planning for another orientation para sa mga bago na gustong magkaroon ng orientation face-to-face kung ayaw ng Zoom or via Zoom. Pero maganda kasi ang via Zoom kasi you will bring your guest, your prospect guest, doon sa Zoom mismo na hindi mo na siya aakayin pupunta sa isang venue para magastos pupunta sa isang venue. Pero kung gusto nyo naman, kung prefer nyo na mas magandang face-to-face para sa inyo, then we will also have a presentation or business presentation. Okay? Then after the orientation, pagka Monday, we have RTS 90. So, nandoon na yung positioning. Tuturuan tayo ni Sir Janjan ko paano kukunin yung pagiging builder, pagiging QD or QD elite up to the presidential and up. Okay? So, tinuturuan tayo doon paano natin gagawin ang business natin na we will stay up to the point na we're able to reach the goal, the plans, the dreams that we are working for how many years na hindi pa siguro na-work lahat. So yung talagang hindi pa nakapag-umpisa sa kanyang dreams, na wala pa talagang na experience man lang. Okay? So kahit papaano it will help. And then after the RTS, which is Monday, 7 o'clock lang din, we have also our Tuesday, which is intended for the guest. This is now the invite time, okay? So, ito na yung invitation na during the Friday, Saturday, and Monday, pagka Tuesday po, ang topic po dito is yung pagtuturo paano mag-invite. So, pag once na naka-invite tayo, the best time for them to attend the Zoom, okay? Zoom orientation or training is on Friday kasi yun yung first day of the training. So, sana po you set your alarm kasi ako po siniset ko po talagang alarm ko for that days. Friday, Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday. Naka-alarm siya sa oras na kung saan at least almost 10 minutes before the meeting will start. So, doon naka-alarm yung aking orasan, okay? Yung aking alarm clock sa cellphone. So, actually I forgot the orientation or the invites training this afternoon. Kung hindi siguro nag-alarm, hindi ko pa din naalala ano itong alarm. Sa isip ko, ano pala ngayon day? Sabi niyang asawa ko, Tuesday ngayon, bakit man? Ay, kaya pala nag-alarm ang aking cellphone ng ganitong oras kasi we have our Zoom training. So, ayun. So, pag once na-alarm, nakakapag-alarm tayo, at least maisip natin kung ano kaya itong training, ano na naman kaya itong alarm na ito. At least, maalala nyo na meron tayong mga trainings. So, ganun lang po. Kung interested kayo, kasi sa totoo lang, hindi na po kayo magproblema sa mga pamasahe ninyo, hindi na kayo magproblema sa pagbitbit ng inyong mga guest, kasi doon na lang sa Zoom. Ang gagawin nyo na lang po, tayong mga affiliates, as much as possible, we have to attend the training from time to time up to the point na we become expert on the process, okay, on the system, especially when it comes to approach system sa ating mga prospects, sa ating mga guest. So, for me, actually, I already did bringing one guest, and now umorder na po siya o order siya sa akin ng isang product. So far, sabi niya, I am interested in the business but let me try the product first. So, ayun. So, ibig sabihin, masyadong maganda ang panghihikayat ni Sir Janjan Cole. You have to do on our part is to apply, to do the action. Kasi hindi natin matutunan ng isang bagay kapag hindi natin isabuhay. Kahit na ilang beses tayo mag-attend ng training, pag hindi natin isa sa buhay, may mga script na and all, meron na mga strategy, meron na mga step by step. All you have to do every time you attend the training, just jot down, okay? Take down notes kung ano yung mga sinasabi doon para alam natin kung paano yung gagawin yung pinoproseso na pinapagawa ni Sir, yung proseso na pinapagawa ni Sir Janjan ko. Okay? Tested and proven na po talaga ito kasi sila po lahat halos mga leaders niya talagang 6 to 7 digits in dollar earners. Okay? So kung gusto nating matupad yung dreams natin, and we can also help others to as we become an instrument to help them to catch their dreams. Syempre mauna tayong magka-catch muna kasi tayo magtatrabaho, and then we will bring them into this opportunity. 'Di ba? Marami po tayong pwedeng mahikayat. The only thing that we do is what? We have to start, do the action, apply everything from the training that we learned, okay? So, kailangan talaga we have to internalize the training, and then go to actualize the training, kasi if you will not do the actual, hindi nyo po matutunan. So, you have to select lang po. If you don't want to bring your people or your guest face-to-face on the presentation, on business presentation, product presentation, or aqua, okay? So, you can bring, kung ayaw nyo, tinatamad kayong maglalakad, so you can bring them into our Zoom training with Sir Janjan ko. Pero kung gusto niyo naman, the approach is immediate result. Meron tayong pang immediate result, which is our aqua. So we have also our training on our aqua. So siniset up ko lang yung mga oras kasi yung venue, iniisip pa namin ni Ate Nice na mabigyan ka ng magandang venue kasi maganda pa rin yung you are comfortable with the venue, di ba? So, sa ngayon, syempre pare-pareho po tayo nagtatrabaho, pare-pareho tayong nagsisikap. Kung kayo po ay nagsisikap din po kami. There's a lot of ways and means to do this. It's only with your decision. Okay? Kasi ang decision nyo talaga ang may last say dito. So, if you don't want to do it, so ibig sabihin nun, you are just a consumers as a member. Or if you love to do it, then you will be, you can be not only a consumer, not only a seller, but also ano tawag to? Builder. Okay? You are building an organization. So, I repeat, this kind of business is an organization of those who are users or consumers, sellers, and builders. Ito po yung tinatawag natin networking marketing. Ito yung organization, business organization, which is a group of users, sellers, and business builders. Okay? So yun po. So marami pong mga talented people out there. All we have to do is to open our mouth and then do the action. Kausapin sila through text or through call, through video chat, video call, okay? Or via Zoom kung meron kayong mga Zoom or Google. Ayan, or mismo sa Messenger, you can message them, you can communicate them aside from calling, okay? And then face to face, nakakausapin niyo sila, mas maganda rin. And then you just select via Zoom training or via face to face training, via Zoom orientation and presentation or via face to face orientation presentation. Ganun lang. And we can do the home meeting through aqua or presentation. Kasi we can do presentation without any presentation of aqua. Kasi merong iba na hindi marunong pa mag-aqua presentation, but we have our training about aqua presentation. So all you have to do, just select and decide. Kasi alam nyo sa sarili nyo kung ano kayo. Kayo ba ay isang consumer lang as a member? Or kayo ay isang consumer at marunong magbenta? O gusto nyong kumita, hindi lang sa pagbenta, kundi to gather and to have a business organization. Yun po. So, ganun po ang networking marketing. Okay? We are going to gather people who are user, who are seller, and builder. Okay? So, yun po. Pinaulit-ulit ko na po para maintindihan nyo po na yun pong trabaho ng ating network marketing in For Life. And then, pagdating sa plan, sa compensation plan, talagang the best po kung maintindihan nyo lang at kung gusto nyo intindihin. Kasi pag once maintindihan nyo, hindi rin po kayo makakatulog katulad namin. Kasi gusto nyo tatrabahuin, but this is now the right time for us to work kasi there is a free training via Zoom or we are also giving a free training. Hindi kami nagpapabayad just to give you a training for you to learn, for you to adapt, and for you to embrace the system of our For Life marketing system. Okay? So, yun lang po. Sana po, bigyan nyo po ng oras itong Friday natin, 7 o'clock, Saturday, 7 o'clock, Monday, 7 o'clock, Tuesday is 6 o'clock. So, alam nyo na, iulitin ko lang, yung training po on the Friday is all about do life differently, and it's good to start up with your guest. If you have your guest, bring your guest. You should be there. Do not leave your guest. You should be with your guest during the training on the first day on Friday. And then the second day, let her attend or him attend, okay, the orientation, and you should also be there up to the last day, which is the Tuesday, that he will also try to invite, because first and foremost, pag nakapag-invite po yan, for sure magre-register yan, hindi pwedeng hindi siya kumita dahil po nag-invite po siya. So ganun lang po ang masasabi ko. I hope so na we'll do it together as a team po. Magtulungan tayo kasi we are ready naman and we are we are open. Our heart and mind are open to help you. Our arms is widely open to help you, our affiliates. So yun lang po, ang kailangan lang po natin dito is your cooperation, your decision, and apply. If you cannot apply within yourself or alone, then let us help you. Nandito po kami mga leaders ninyo. Nandito ako, si Ate Nice, kung sino yung nag-recruit sa inyo, sino yung nagpapasok sa inyo. Kung malayo man tayo, then just communicate kasi syempre gusto pa rin natin na marunong maabot namin ang inyong gustong marating, kumbaga what I mean, kahit malayo kayo, pwede naman maraming paraan para makakommunicate po tayo sa isa't isa. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. God bless you all. God bless you all. Nabubulol na tuloy ako. So, yun po. Maraming salamat.